I am making slime. Even though I got this from Dollar Tree. We will be making it fart today. Oh. Yeah. Where's the container? Okay. Wrong way. And if it breaks... Okay, here we have... Oh. Oh my god. Ugh. Well.
Oh my god, that's so funny.
Just farted. That sounded a bit weird.
Yeah.
Now we do more. Oh, that didn't have a sound because I was just taking it out.
Okay. It smells like our farts.
Yeah, sure.
It sounds like our farts.
Yeah. Okay, now we are going to put it in here and make it be attached again because we kind of broke it doing this. So
Okay.
here we have the manure. Shake it. Oh, my feet.
I don't want them to see your face. Okay.
And here we have the slime that is now connected. We're gonna break it in a bit pieces. Okay. Oh, it didn't make a sound. I need all of it.
Oh yeah.
Made a bit of a fart sound.
Oh yeah.
Get slapped! Oh my god, I literally just saw a piece flying.
Oh wait, there it is. No.
Poop.
Oh my god. The poop is supposed to be green.
Oh god.
Oh my god, there's a giant hole right here.
Okay, now let's do a magic trick, Chuchi.
A magic trick in
So-
this video.
Right now, it's going to be hard when the lights turn back on.
The lights should turn back on.
It's on. Okay, let's see if it's back together again. Okay. Look at it. This doesn't stick to anything, by the way.
It turned into a little tiny circle.
Let's chop it again. Wait.
Okay. Have a good slap.
And then you put it through to make a nice circle. Oop.
Oop.
That was a good
That's
sound.
but it's not a fart though.
And also,
That's a
Chuchi.
small.
And then we're going to be doing another magic trick to prove that it doesn't stick to anything.
Okay. Okay, turn the lights
It
off
will be
again.
magic trick. Okay. And let me close it completely.
Well, China, I'm still recording.
I know. I'm going to close it completely so it will work.
Now the lights turn off again.
Okay. They're back on. Okay, Chuchi, show your legs. Chuchi, put them together. Okay. To prove it doesn't stick to anything. Look. And then you... Oh, no, don't open them.
Oh, okay.
And then you can just pick it up and show your legs, Chuchi.
I did it.
No stains. Okay. Show the slime again. Put your legs back where they were. And put your legs back where they were. And now we will be mixing it more with our green smiley face little spoon.
Yeah. Or you can actually take this.
Chuchi, would you like to shake it?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's a kind of shake.
Shaky, shaky. Now we will be making fart noises.
Okay. It's not a fart.
Farted. Oh my god. Oh, it went right in. Now we will be fixing it again. And when the lights turn back on, it will be it will be fine and it will be out in the
Dark.
yeah, in the dark. And then when the lights turn back on, it will be shaped in a thing.
Okay, guys, we turned the lights back off.
Y'all know there's a child in here, right? Turn the damn lights on.
Yeah, you guys can't see anything because the lights is turned off.
Is Josel dead?
Yeah. Okay.
Slime is everywhere.
There we have it. Can you guys guess what happened?
Hey, turn it into book.
Turned into a little blob
No.
with a little circle in it.
Okay, well, guys, we're gonna make a circle and the video we're in.
Yes. Okay. And now here we are about. Okay. We are going to make one more little shape. Okay, let's put it back. We're gonna shake it. Actually, no, we're not gonna shake it yet. And then we're gonna make one little shape.
One
no,
more
we're not gonna make it. It'll magically turn into a little shape now.
Okay. The video's like 7 minutes. It's not.
Look it.
That's
Oh
not
my
a
God.
circle. It looks like
It
a
wasn't
crescent.
supposed to be a circle.
It's supposed to be a crystal.
It's supposed to be a certain thing, Chuchi. That's what we said. And here's this wood right next to it. Okay, bye.
Bye, guys. We'll see you in the next video.
Yeah.